Hello guys, what's up? So today we have a problem 3101, count alternating subarrays. This is a problem from the contest. So let us see. So in this problem, we are given a binary array nums, that is, it will only have zeros and ones. And we call a subarray alternating if no adjacent elements in the subarray have the same value. Now, number of alternating subarrays we need to find. Now, this is again a standard sliding window template problem. We can see, we can start from the 0th index, and then we can keep on looking until we find repeating things. Now, and the moment we find the repeating things, we can then analyze how many subarrays we can generate out of the window we have created. So this is basically is the intuition of what we are going to do. So let's directly see the code. So we have I and j initialized as 0, a variable answer as well. Int n is equals to nums dot size. Now while j is lesser than n minus 1. Yes, this is a standard sliding window template. So we do something, but in this case, we are just comparing. So while nums of j is equals to, if nums of j gets equals to nums of j plus 1, then we can think of computing. So while I is less than or equal to j, we will simply add it up into the answer j minus I plus 1 and increment our I and increment j plus 1. Now this might happen that there are some j crossed the n minus 1. This is n minus 1 because we are comparing j plus 1 here. And there are still chances. And the last subarray, the last few elements are not counted. For example, in this case, 1010, j will cross this n minus 1, and this loop will never be executed. So we need to compute our answer, but still. So while I is less than or equals to j, we still we can have this. We can be sure that the elements now between I and j are distinct. Sorry, alternative. So only this condition and this condition never gets executed. And yeah, we can finally return answer me. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys. Just in case you liked our video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you.